Okay, Lil Star, give me one of your best drawings yet. One drawing coming up, Frankie. Ready, set, draw! Okay, so you're going to draw a circle like that. And then a darker circle, as you're going to color it up, that looks like an eye. And now you're adding something on the side there. And maybe a line right there, a curvy line, and another line that looks like a beam. This is some sort of farm animal, I believe. Yep, it's also my favorite one. Oh, your favorite farm animal? I want to see more. Now what do you think of it, Frankie? Look. This kind of looks like it kind of looks like a buffalo, or maybe a bison. It's not a buffalo or a bison. Keep drawing, Lil Star. Keep drawing, keep drawing. I think I know what it is. This might be a cow. It is a cow. Let me draw up the rest. There. All finished. Wow! What a great drawing, Lil Star. But maybe if you add some black to the cow on the spots right there, it would make it more better. Any ideas what's making that moving sound? I don't know. Sounds like some sort of farm animal. Literally. I think I know who the mystery animal is. Who? It's our friends, Chewy the calf and his mom.
Mystery animals here. Yeah.
Look at Chewy. Isn't he cute? Hey, look! It's Chewy's herd! They're back! Wow! That's a lot of cows!
Yeah, you're free to go home. So long. Our feet are staying.
See you later, Chewy! Bye, Chewy's mom. Speaking of farm animals, it's about time we meet up with our favorite friend, Shaun the sheep. Shaun the sheep next on Cartoon Planet.